Hi, this is Joe from Cloud Design Box. In a previous video, we looked at working together with your colleagues in a staff resources folder within a subject site in the CDB intranet. In this video, we're going to take a look at the student resource folders. Permissions on these folders are a little bit different, and they allow the students to come in and read the content and download their own copies. So it's a good way of keeping your resources safe, but also giving students independence to go through and access them. Towards the end of the video, we'll also look at the student view so you can see what a typical student might see when they access a SharePoint library. If you find this video useful, please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more of this content, then you can click subscribe just below the video. Cloud Design Box automatically creates centralized areas for you to store your resources. When we log into the intranet site, we can use the mega menu at the top of the screen to navigate to our subject site areas. As a teacher, underneath the My Subjects column, you should see the subject that you teach. And if you navigate to one of those subject sites, you should see some automatically provisioned libraries. In this video, we'll be looking at student resource folders. All subject teachers, in this case all of the history teachers, will be able to access and edit all of the student resource folders that are available. For example, if we enter the Year 11 folder here, you'll see that the team has started adding student-facing resources to this library relevant to Year 11. If we jump into one of these folders, you can see that there is a variety of different resources for our students to access. As a subject teacher, you and your colleagues can open up these resources and edit and refine them as needed. Now let's take a look at what the student can see. When the student logs into the intranet, they too will be able to use their mega menu to navigate all of the subjects that they study. Notice how this site looks different for students. They are unable to see staff resources, but can access the relevant student resources they need. In this example, our student Susan is in Year 11. Because she has completed Year 10, she is able to go back through the Year 10 resource library to review previous content, and this year she's been given access automatically into Year 11. When she enters this folder, she can see everything that the teachers have created. However, you'll notice for the student, these resources are read-only. If the student is to open a resource, they will not be able to add any additional content onto the page. It will simply be read-only for them. By automatically granting read-only access to students, it means that you do not have to worry about breaking permissions and students editing your master copies. If a student does want to edit something like a worksheet, they can download a copy. Because resources are stored in the cloud, the student can access them at any time from anywhere. This encourages student autonomy, whether it comes to revision or catching up with lost work, and this independence can encourage student engagement.